Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana reportedly cited a rule during a meeting chaired by Prime Minister Modi to select a new CBI director that rejected two names being considered by the government for the post. The two names shortlisted were Rakesh Asthana from the BSF and Y.C. Modi from the National Investigation Agency. Chief Justice Ramana insisted that a police officer with less than 6 months of service should not be considered for the post, referring to a particular Supreme Court judgment. Sunil Bansal, who headed the dairy business of Yoga Guru Ramdev's Patanjali Ayurved, died of COVID-19, the company said, adding it had no role in his allopathic treatment. Bansal, who was the vice president in the dairy division of Patanjali Ayurved Limited, died on May 19. His death comes at a time when Ramdev is courting controversy over his comments about allopathic medicines and COVID-19. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has appealed for stopping consumption of beef in areas dominated by Hindu population. We believe that cow is our mother. We want non-consumption of beef where cows are worshipped, said Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma in the Assam Assembly. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that his government would take every step allowed by the Constitution of India to protect cows in the state. The government has said that it will provide an assistance of Rs 1,500 to each transgender person as immediate support in view of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic to meet their basic requirements. Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry also asked NGOs and community-based organizations working for transgender persons to spread awareness about this step. Japan today said it has extended the quarantine period for travelers who've recently been to India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Maldives, Nepal and Sri Lanka from 6 to 10 days. This comes amid growing concerns over COVID-19 variant first detected in India. We've decided to tighten border controls in order to protect health and lives, Chief Cabinet Secretary Katsunobu Kato said. After a Wall Street Journal report citing US intelligence claimed 3 researchers from the Wuhan Institute of Virology were hospitalized in November 2019 with COVID-19-like symptoms, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Zhao Lijian called it completely untrue. Zhao added, US continues to hype up the lab leak theory. Does it care about traceability or is it just trying to distract attention, he said. The postponed Indian Premier League 2021 will resume tentatively on September 18th or 19th in the United Arab Emirates, with as many as 10 double-headers expected to be played during a 3-week window. The final might be held on October 9th or 10th. The 3-week window will be enough for the league to complete its remaining 31 games for the season. The IPL 2021 was postponed on May 4th after multiple COVID cases were reported.